WhatsApp is a communication network that the current world uses almost in an indispensable way to exchange instant messages, audios, videos, photos, calls and video calls through the mobile phone. It is a very convenient option when it comes to being in contact with those who are far away from you, since you have the possibility to select the way to greet your loved ones. One of them is through video call, in which you can get an image and audio of the person. Another one is with text messages, in which you can send voice notes, photos, documents and emoticons, which will make your conversation fun. WhatsApp now has stories, which consist of sharing with your contacts photos and videos that will disappear in 24 hours. You have the option to silence and choose who you want to share your status with. Also, something that is very important in these types of applications is the privacy of the conversations and documents exchanged. That's why WhatsApp has a configuration space to select who can see your status, profile picture and the last time you connected. It also has an encryption that ensures that neither WhatsApp or third parties can read or listen to your messages. The steps are simple. If you want to use this application, all you need is an electronic device such as a computer or mobile phone, an internet connection, and that's it.